Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the battery drain problem on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here, just enable dark mode. Now once you enable dark mode, scroll down and make sure you enable automatic brightness. Now once you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically increase or decrease the brightness of your screen depending on the lighting of the environment. Now from here, scroll down and tap on refresh rate. Now from here, tap on up to 120 Hz. Now from here, just select 60 Hz. Now once you do that, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now from here, scroll down and tap on privacy. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you disable enroll in user experience program. Now scroll down and tap on usage and diagnostics. Now from here, also make sure you disable usage and diagnostics. Now once you disable these two options, your smartphone will not send data to Xiaomi over the Wi-Fi, which will save you a lot of battery. Now once you do that, just go back. Now from here, just search location. Now from here, tap on use location. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you disable use location. Now from here, go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps and tap on background auto start. Now from here, just disable all these apps. Now once you disable all these apps, your smartphone will not auto start in the background. Now from here, go back. Now just scroll up and tap on sound and vibration. Now from here, scroll down and disable vibrate on tap. Now from here, go back and tap on lock screen. Now from here, scroll down and tap on wallpaper carousel. Now from here, make sure you disable wallpaper carousel. Now from here, tap on no thanks. Now from here, just go back and tap on lock screen. Now from here, tap on sleep. Now from here, just decrease the time to 15 seconds. Now once you do that, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on battery. Now from here, tap on current mode and tap on battery saver. Now once you do that, just tap on battery checkup. Now from here, you will get suggestions to increase the battery life. For an example, if you clear memory after 10 seconds of logging the device, you will save 7 minutes of battery life. Also, if you don't wake screen for notifications, you will save 4 minutes of extra battery life. Just select these options. Now from here, just tap on 8 minutes. And this is how you can fix the battery drain problem on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.